In this video, I will show you how you can change the DPI settings on any Samsung tablet. Now to do that, first of all, just go to Settings. Under Settings, just scroll down and tap on About Tablet. From here, just tap on the software information. And on this page, just tap on the build number a few times until you enable developer options. Now just enter your lock screen pin or pattern and select OK. And after you do that, you will enable developer options on your tablet. Now the next step is in the search bar, just search this. Tap on minimum width. And under the developer settings, just tap on minimum width. And from here, you can change the DPI settings of your tablet. Now if you want to increase the DPI settings, you can do it from here. And also if you want to decrease the DPI settings, you can do it from here. Just like that. And this is how you can change the DPI settings on any Samsung tablet. Make sure to like, comment and subscribe. Thank you for watching.